In this video, we'll go over the 3 main reasons why your plants may be wilting. So let's get started. The first reason that your plants may be wilting is if the soil is too dry and needs water. This is one of the most common reasons why plants wilt. The leaves of a plant hold water, and when the plants don't have enough water, they often wilt. Make sure that the soil in your garden doesn't dry out. Dig a few centimeters in your soil to see the soil moisture. The second reason that your plants may be wilting is if the temperatures are too warm and if the hot sun is shining on the plants. You can mitigate this problem by adding shade cloth onto your plants to give them some protection from the harsh sun. The third reason why your plants may be wilting is if they have a disease, like a blight or fungal issue. It is best to pull the plant out of your garden so that the disease doesn't spread to the other areas of your garden. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up and to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video.